Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror, live and exclusive on the Sadhu Vaswani Bridge. This bridge has been remained shut for commuters for a very long time. But the PMC Commissioner Naval Kishore Ram visited this bridge on Tuesday the 11th after Pune Times Mirror had reported the prolonged delay on July 31st. On August 10th, the PMC Commissioner had also visited the Keshar Nagar Munwa Bridge for the same reason that Pune Times Mirror had highlighted that bridge, which was closed for 7 months, was not being opened to the commuters. This bridge also, which you see, was supposed to get completed a long time ago, but it has remained shut due to several reasons. One of the main reasons is that the bridge passes over the railway tracks, and because of which a lot of setting work has to be done. It's a very complicated issue for the bridge when it passes over the railway tracks. So the delay is not the fault of the people who are building the bridge, but because the bridge has to pass over the railway line, there comes the reason for the delay. We will talk to a person who is on the bridge, is one of the contractors. He will also highlight to us what is one of the reasons why this bridge has been delayed for so long. तो ये ब्रिज जो है, ये ब्रिज, ये एक्चुअली कब रेडी होना चाहिए था?
अपना पहले रेडी होना था, ट्रैक का वजह से, रेलवे ट्रैक का वजह से थोड़ा इसका लेट हो रहा है। उसका सेटिंग में टाइम जा रहा है। उसका सेटिंग बोलना तो आगे सेटिंग कर रहा है। और पाइपलाइन भी था, उसका काटिंग के लिए टाइम गया।
वाटर पाइपलाइन,
वाटर पाइपलाइन के लिए।
तो ये ब्रिज को शायद मेरे ख्याल से 2024 में डिमोलिश किया गया था और 2 साल का टाइम था। तो ये कब रेडी होना चाहिए था?
अभी टाइम लगना बोलना तो अपना दिसंबर तक दिया।
हाँ।
लेकिन दिसंबर तक पूरा फाइनल नहीं हो जाएंगे। अच्छा। थोड़ा मोड़ा बाकी रह जाएंगे। ऐसा
थोड़ा मोड़ा बाकी।
हाँ।
और ये पहले 2 लेन था, तो अभी 4 लेन हो जाएगा।
4 लेन का
4 लेन हो जाएगा।
4 लेन हो जाएंगे।
So we were just speaking to one of the contractors here, and he told us that, as usual, and this is not what is his fault, that normally what happens is a lot of projects of the PMC, which are big projects like bridges and roads, the deadline now is December 2026. But again, the question arises, the big question arises, will it get completed or will the delay continue? And God alone knows when when will the bridge be open for public. So behind me on the right hand side, you can see the water pipeline. That water pipeline will be removed and it will be put under the ground. That work also has to be done. Plus on both the sides, you see those blue color steel girders. So the entire slab work will come over those steel girders and connect with this bridge, which is unfinished at this point. See, the problem here is that because of this, people have to go all the way around from Conrad. Once this Conrad Hotel, once this bridge opens, it will be very convenient for people coming in from Nagar Road, Pune Station and other places to go towards Sholapur Road and beyond. So this bridge needs to be opened quickly, but we still have about a few months to go till December 2026. But as the contractor said, we don't know whether it will be done or not, as most of PMC's projects. So we have just walked up till where the bridge is complete right now. We are close to the railway tracks. So we have walked all the way from the Sadhu Vaswani College and Don Bosco right up till the edge over here. So at this particular junction that you see, the space here, one slab will come here, one slab will come over the railway tracks, and 2 slabs will come on that side. So a total of 4 slabs still need to be completed. You can see there is a lot of work still remaining. The major problem comes over the railway tracks because a lot of setting work, a lot of technical work has to be done, as we were told. This clearly indicates that though Naval Kishore Ram visited this spot on Tuesday the 11th, this is not going to get complete by December. There's a lot of work. The contractors told us also, a lot of work is still left. 4 slabs are still left. It's very doubtful that this bridge will be completed as promised or as assured by the PMC Commissioner Naval Kishore Ram. Doesn't seem possible. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror from the Sadhu Vaswani Bridge, where work is still being carried out with camera person Swapnil.